Question 1 of the SiteWise assessment is, what insurances does your company hold? This question is worth 10 points, which will be awarded so long as the insurance evidence provided is valid. If any of your insurance documents are about to expire near the time of submission, it would pay to contact your insurance provider and update these prior to submitting for assessment. Upload all certificates or other relevant business insurance documents that will support and verify your answer. Evidence would include certificates or documents for public liability, indemnity, vehicle insurance, general business insurance, and any other insurance information relevant to your profession or work type. Insurance documents must be valid at the time of submission and include dollar amounts and expiry dates. This information is visible to Level 1 and 2 companies who use SiteWise and can help expedite the engagement process for you.